Hello everyone, I'm going to review the Qimic Mini 1-axis gimbal stabilizer. It's more like they're saying it's 1-axis, though I found that the spelling of axis is wrong, but let's see. But other than this, I think it's good. It's 1-axis, so it will rotate this way. And you see the buttons here, and you can make it long. And it has a tripod here. It's good. I think you can adjust it. Yeah. Whatever height you want. But it's very lightweight, and it's easy to handle because this one is very slim. It's good. Yeah, you can adjust however you want. This is the cable, and this is the manual. Oh, yeah, here it is okay. The spelling is okay here in the manual. And there is a nice pouch. I like it. Okay, thank you for today. Thank you all. Have a great day. Bye.